This video guide will give you instructions to remove the ransomware called Narumi. The video will demonstrate how exactly this particular ransomware works and what it does with the files. Before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any files, but the point is that some way or another this ransomware may be injected into the system. People don't really know how exactly it happens, but typically this might occur as a result of visiting some malicious or compromised websites or downloading some pirated illegal software. After the ransomware attack, people are no longer able to use their files. The ransomware starts immediately encrypting the data that people store on their hard drives, and pretty soon people realize that they cannot open their files anymore. The purpose of the ransomware is to force you into paying the ransom. After the ransomware attack, people get this scary message mentioning that your network was attacked, your computers and servers were locked, and that you need to pay the ransom to restore your data. But believe me, paying the ransom doesn't guarantee the file restoration. On the other hand, indeed, the files are encrypted and the special Narumi extension is added to the files. You cannot actually remove the extension and decrypt the files. In other words, removing the extensions does not decrypt the files. But you should do something to remove this ransomware, of course. First thing you can do is to check the task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes running in the background, get rid of them and their processes to stop the further file encryption. Now, I recommend you to remove this Narumi ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download the software, install the program and start researching the system with its help. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system. First of all, it will be in the trial mode, so it will only give you the quick scan option. The program will give you the summary of all threats that were revealed during the scanning. You may go to the settings of Combo Cleaner and pay attention to the anti-ransomware tool, which is the great solution to protect your data from being damaged by ransomware type infections. This feature is a part of the premium license, but you may always request trial to fully evaluate Combo Cleaner. So after the scanning is completed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will see the complete summary of threats that were revealed during the scanning. The good thing about this report by Combo Cleaner is that it will show you the full information about threats found, their locations. Even though you may remove these threats manually based on this location data, we do recommend you to upgrade to Premium in order to have your files protected in the future. Thanks for watching.